Hey there, future entrepreneurs and business owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got an exciting topic for you guys. One that's all about turning your dreams into reality. Whether you are a budding business owner or someone looking to explore the world of e commerce, you are in for a treat. My name is Gaurav, and today we are going to discuss about a topic. And in this video, we are diving deep into the world of Shopify, the platform that's been empowering the new business owners and entrepreneurs to explore their business, to build, grow, and thrive in the digital marketplace. So, we are getting many questions from the startups and the new business owners, a few of which we are going to discuss today in this video. And the first question is Shopify good for the new business owners? Absolutely. Shopify is designed with beginners in mind, making it user friendly and perfect for those just starting out. Whether you are exploring the platform, running a small business, or managing a large enterprise, Shopify is here to support you on your journey from that first sale all the way to significant growth. Wondering about the Shopify pricing? Shopify offers a range of pricing plans to cater to different business needs. The options include Shopify Starter at $5 per month, Basic Shopify at $39 per month, Shopify at $105 per month, Advanced Shopify at $399 per month, and Shopify Plus starting at $2,000 per month. Third popular question is which countries are eligible for Shopify platform? Shopify is a global platform with merchants spanning across 175 countries. You can make use of Shopify in over 20 languages and even utilize Shopify payments in several countries such as Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, and many more. While most US territories are covered, please note that Shopify payments cannot be used in territories other than Puerto Rico. Fourth question is what's possible to sell on Shopify? The possibilities are wide range. When it comes to selling on Shopify, you can showcase and sell various products and services, including physical items, digital items like ebooks or email templates, memberships such as subscription boxes or online fitness classes, ticketed experiences, lessons, and many more. It's essential to review our official terms of service to ensure that your intended products comply with the local regulations. Fourth question is where can you set up shop using Shopify? With Shopify, your selling avenues are vast and flexible. You can establish your presence on your own website, connect in person through a retail store or events like trade shows, tap into online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, utilize social media platforms including Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, explore wholesale opportunities, and even utilize Handshake. Most popular question asked by the business owners is what's the selling point for selling on Shopify? Getting started on Shopify is a simple process. Begin by adding your products to Shopify account and setting up a reliable payment processor. Then you have the choice of setting up your own online store or directly selling through social media channels. To drive sales, it's crucial to market your store effectively, inviting potential customers to explore your site, learn about your brand, and discover your products. If you are a new business owner or planning to start your new e-commerce store and you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out to Softtrix Tech Solutions. Here are some client video testimonials for your reference.
Softtrix, I really appreciate how creative this team work with me and making this experience as painless as possible. With getting my website foundation set, the developers did an amazing job. Blew me out of the park with how creative their layout design was for my website. And to top it off, they have some additional services that I have extended that is going to provide me with SEO optimization so that way I can start generating leads, right? Thank you so much. I am looking forward to expanding my territory and my audience with these online products, and we can move forward and continue to grow. Thank you.
I've been working with Softtrix Tech Solutions on and off for about 2 years, and they do very well. They've done a couple of websites for me, logos, and they've just done a great job. Everything about them is good. They're professional, fast, and very easy to work with.
Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any feedback or inputs, please feel free to drop your comments in the comment box below. Thank you. Please do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.